How to assemble a Relax the Back Hale Premier ZG Recliner. Make sure you have the chair base, body pad, neck pillow, power adapter and cord, and 4 batteries. To get started, lift the fabric cover on the rear of the backrest, raise the L latch on each side of the backrest, then lift the backrest to the upright position. Lower the rear fabric cover, then, aligning the hook and loop fasteners, press firmly to secure it. Plug the power adapter into the power cord from the chair, then close the connector lock. Remove the plastic cover from the power cord plug, then remove the tie wrap. Plug the power cord into the power adapter, then into a power source. Feed the remote through to the outside of the chair arm. Power on the remote, then press and hold the footrest up button to raise the footrest as high as it will go. Hang the remote on the remote hook. Place the body pad into position, inserting the front of the footrest into the pocket on the front of the pad. Make sure the footrest is installed all the way into the pocket. Unplug the chair. Open the zipper on the chair seat. Feed the body pad air hose bank through the hole in the chair seat, then connect it to the air hose bank from the chair. Be sure to match the hoses by color. Make sure the locking tabs on the hose bank from the chair are installed all the way through the holes on the body pad hose bank. Feed the 2 heater connectors through the hole in the chair seat, then connect them to the corresponding connectors from the chair. Make sure all hoses and cables are beneath the springs, then close the seat zipper. Aligning the hook and loop fasteners, press the seat portion of the body pad into position. Open the zipper on the rear of the body pad. Aligning the hook and loop fasteners, press the upper body pad into position. Tuck the top of the backrest frame into the pocket on the rear of the body pad. Remove the plastic wrap from the 4 batteries. Slide the battery compartment cover upward to remove it. Install the 4 batteries, with the positive terminal on the left and the negative terminal on the right. Install the battery cover tabs into the battery compartment slots, then snap the top of the cover into place. Close the rear body pad zipper. Plug in the chair. The footrest automatically restores to the lowered position. Finally, feed the neck pillow flap through the retaining strap on the back of the headrest, and you're done.